Hello and welcome to the November 2025 Hoop Studio unboxing. I'm really excited to tell you what the project is for this month. I think you're going to just fall head over heels for these. These are called the Jolly Wishes gift cards. They are so darling, so cute, so perfect for giving as gifts or setting on your shelf, displaying those for the Christmas season. So let me tell you really quickly, this is the gift house. This is the house. And look at this house. It has this vinyl window. And as you pull it up, that tree just pops out and is stitched here on this side. It has this vinyl pocket where you can put your gift card right there. And then you just slide it in and give it to your loved one or friend or coworker and have to celebrate Christmas with them. It comes with this fun snow glitter here. The stitching on that brick wall there is just phenomenal, and it's fun to see that little Christmas tree in the house and all of the fun different things. It's a leather gift card, and the second one is this cute one here. It is called the present gift, and it has this three-dimensional bow on it, and you pull it out, and inside you have some vinyl here that you stitch on. See that? And that's where you put your little gift card. But look at this leather here. This is leather, and it has this fun linen sparkly look. But look at this bow and how it is, you have all this stitching here, and it just really makes this gift card pop. Think about all the fun things that you can do with these gift cards. Okay, the fresh technique for this month is using felt to make a three-dimensional bow. So that's what you see right there on this gift. Let's take a look and see what you get inside. What's in your envelope for this month? All right. Remember we said that you have the glitter snow. We give you this great piece of white glitter. We have this tan leather that's going to be used for your gift cards. We have this sparkly linen leather used on one of them. We have this felt here, that's buttermilk felt, and some red felt. And of course, we need some shape form to help give those gift cards some stability. We also need the clear vinyl so that you can put one for the window and also for the where you put your gift card. But what really makes these gift cards pop is the fabric. And we have this green little speckled fabric here, another linen to kind of match the leather linen that we have. We have this red solid and this beautiful fabric here from Dear Stella with the holly leaves and berries and lots of fun little pine boughs in that as well. Don't forget that you also get this booklet of instructions of how to make everything with step-by-step instructions, beautiful pictures, and it just makes it so easy to put together. All right, well, let's get into our giveaway. So this month, we've got a great giveaway for you. One of the things we do in Hoop Studio a lot is use this flexi foam. So you get this big package of flexi foam. I have another package of that buttermilk felt here so that you can make some more fun projects with that. And you can't go wrong with a rotating cutting mat. And this one is our Kimberbell special rotating cutting mat. So those are the three things that you'll get this month in the giveaway. Now, to enter, please let me know what type of Christmas projects would you like to see in Hoop Studio so that we can plan some of the fun things that you would love to stitch together and give to people or use for decor. So let me know what you would like to see, what type of project you would like to see in Hoop Studio. And put those in the comments. We will announce the winner this Friday and let you know who the winner is. Thank you for joining me. Please go enjoy some well-deserved me time.